Hello! Today, this is Banana Gaming and Toys, and today we'll be doing the second part of the Tanjiro and Nezuko figure unboxing. I'm Maverick, your host, and this is the first one. We rated this thing an 8.5 just because of some small eviscerated details, but you can go check it out yourself. So for this figure, this is the Nezuko part, but we really just want to see them holding hands. That's like the best part of this, where it's actually built so they can hold their hands together. I'm trying not to. Just like so. And then in the next episode, after this, we'll be seeing which Nezuko figure is the best. Because now we have 3. So we can figure it out ourselves. Oh, that's the hard fall. There. And for this one, it looks like it has 2 parts. Now we have our thing. We don't need this bubble wrap. We have the arm and the connecting arm and the holding hands part. Now we have 2 parts that's supposed to be holding hands. That's a problem. So we just go like so. What the hell am I wielding my scissors on? Let's just go like so. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 parts. And Nezuko figure is just about the same height, but a little bit shorter. I like that they kept that into detail since the sister is generally shorter than the brother. Look at all this junk. And rubble. These are the 3 hands. What the process is, it's just like there's the hand which you would use if you didn't have the second part, or the Tanjiro figure, I guess you can call it. So we'll firstly put this on. The nails are really sharp. So let's just put on the arm. So this is what it would look like if you didn't have a second piece. Let's rip this out and put it like so. Just connect it to this for now. I'm sure that works. Just do this for now. So you see, she's just doing that. Now while you guys are viewing this, let's just try to not make any mistakes opening this box. And first impressions on the Nezuko figure, it has a lot of detail. And did I put the extra hand anywhere? Yeah. So this is the Tanjiro part. So does this one have more detail than the other? No. I'll just put this one over here since it's not really needed. And then we just slit. Yeah. Goes on like so. I don't want to cut myself. So it goes on like so. That means she has to be behind. I'm just going to confuse them. Let's quickly take off their arms. The extension pieces of their arms. Figure this out. So this is the correct way to put it in. So let's firstly put Tanjiro's part in. And yeah. What does it look like on the box? Does it look proper? Yeah, so yeah, she is supposed to be behind it. She is supposed to be behind it. So let's move the positioning a little bit more. So then that he is here. This is really complicated for me. So the first one goes like this Tanjiro one goes like I want to get this thing proper, so these things are built completely different. So this one with the closer knobs goes like this. This one goes like this. I can't read Japanese, but it looks like it goes like making it so complicated. I don't want to injure the arms or anything. So just take off the arm piece, the hand piece. It's not really needed. So just take off the hand piece, and I can put this arm on properly. There, now the arm's on. And just put in the hand. So I'm struggling. And the other hand. Oh wow. So now we have both. Let's just make sure this is put in hard. So now this is supposed to be facing like so. And then you just get this, and you just get this. Yeah, that works. Yeah, this is, I think that's how you do it. So this is what it would look like. I can just give you the face, and then she's supposed to be facing sideways, but of course her eyes are looking at it, so you should do it like this, I think. Or her, yeah. It's like just face it to try and go forward, and so they can both look at you. This is a really nice thing that you can get, because like it's two figures would create an awesome scene. I don't really look at it myself. And plus, if you don't want them to be together, you can always just disconnect the arms and put on different arms. Yeah. So I'll put the arms here for now. And together, for Nezuko figure by herself, the details and the height difference is not anything I'll talk about because, well, of course she's shorter than Tanjiro because she's younger. So, on the details on the shirt, it's slightly like the other one, almost exactly like the other one, except the eyes are different, and the hair positioning is more swaying to the left of her, or the right if you're looking at it from the front. Because the hair's swaying up more like this, and that's the same for the Tanjiro figure. You can see the hairs go flowing backwards. Practically, I think everything on this figure is almost exactly like that one. So I don't really have much to say. I think I'll just give it this same exact thing, but let's measure it slightly before I do anything else. So just make sure it's not this, to make sure it's not the same exact height. 7 and 1/4, or 19 centimeters, I'll round up. And for yourself, it would be around 8 centimeters. Like 8 centimeters, just including the arm attachments, because it could be longer or shorter. 8 centimeters is a little bit over 3 inches. So altogether, I rate the Nezuko figure by herself a good 9, because, well, she does have an add-on which can sometimes put some faulties in it, but together as a scene, it slightly improves her mark, if you get what I'm saying, because like together they look way better, so it would improve her mark compared to the solo one that we got. That was like about 2 episodes back. So you can kind of get what I'm saying here, because like together the scene makes her market a little bit better, because she has a second purpose other than staying by herself. Altogether, tell me what you think about it, and if my score was correct down in the comments. And altogether, this has been Gaming Toys, and I'm out.